Welcome to your meditation for healing. Make yourself comfortable now, either lying down or sitting, allowing the surface beneath you to fully support every part of you. This is your time, your space to relax, to let go, and to invite healing into every layer of your being. Take a moment to feel your body settle. Feel the places where the weight of your body connects to the surface. Allow yourself to surrender to this support, to release the need to hold on, to carry anything extra. This is your time to rest, your time to renew. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, letting your lungs fill completely, and then release it softly through your mouth. Just like so. That's right. With each breath, feel yourself letting go of tension, letting go of worry, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. And as you continue to breathe, notice how your body feels. Maybe there's a sense of heaviness in your arms. Maybe there's a sense of heaviness in your legs that comes as you begin to release all the tension. Or maybe there's a lightness, as if the air itself is lifting you into this moment of peace. Either way is perfect. Now notice your feet. Feel them releasing, letting go of any tension. Let that feeling of release flow into your legs, softening and soothing as it goes. Feel it in your hips. Feel it in your stomach. Feel it in your chest. Let this gentle wave of relaxation flow into your shoulders, down your arms, and all the way to your fingertips. Let it rise up into your neck. Let it rise up into your face, and finally go to the crown of your head, until your whole body feels calm, feels soft, feels at ease. Imagine now, in the distance of your mind, a soft, radiant light, a gentle spiral of energy, slowly forming. This is the beginning of the healing vortex, a powerful yet soothing force that knows exactly what you need. With every breath you take, you can feel its gentle pull. It is inviting you deeper and deeper. This vortex is here to support you, to guide you, to restore you. There is absolutely nothing you need to do. You just need to allow it to flow around you, to flow through you, to flow within you. Feel its presence, its warmth, its quiet power. Take another deep breath now, and with the exhale, feel yourself surrendering to the healing energy of the vortex. Let it carry you, let it soothe you, let it begin to work its magic in every corner of your being. Now that you're resting comfortably, begin to turn your attention inward. Let your breath guide you, a slow inhale and even slower exhale. Notice the rhythm of your breath, how it flows naturally, effortlessly. With each breath, you're stepping further and further into a place of peace, a place of calm. And as you continue to breathe, begin to imagine yourself standing in a serene, natural landscape. Perhaps it's a forest bathed in golden sunlight, or a soft grassy meadow under a wide open sky. Wherever your mind takes you, it's perfect. Notice how peaceful it feels to be there. The air is clean and crisp. The colors around you vibrant and alive, and you feel completely at ease in this place. Take a moment to notice the ground beneath your feet. Is it soft grass? Is it warm sand? Or is it a smooth stone? Feel how supportive it is, how it grounds you. Look around at the world surrounding you. What colors do you see? Notice the way the light dances across the landscape. Listen closely. Maybe there's a gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, or soft sound of flowing water nearby. As you take all of this in, you realize that this place is alive with energy. Not just any energy, but a soothing, healing energy that seems to flow through everything. The air around you feels charged and vibrating gently with life and renewal. And as you stand here in the center of this landscape, you notice that the soft, radiant spiral of energy is now all around you. The healing vortex glows with warm, gentle light, soft greens, soothing blues, and radiant golds swirling together in perfect harmony around you. You can feel its energy enveloping you, flowing through you, like a gentle breeze, cleansing and renewing every part of you. Notice how the vortex moves. It's steady and rhythmic, like the waves of the ocean. With each wave, it carries away any tension, any discomfort, and any pain. And as it flows, it fills you with a deep sense of peace, of calm, of healing. The vortex knows exactly where to go, exactly what to do. You don't have to guide it or control it. You simply allow it to flow. Now, as the vortex swirls gently around you, feel its energy beginning to flow through your body. It's as though a soft glowing light is scanning you from head to toe, touching every part of you with a soothing, restorative power. Begin at the top of your head. Feel the light as it enters your scalp, softening and releasing any tension in it. Notice how it flows into your forehead, smoothing away any tightness, smoothing away any strain. Let it flow into your temples, your cheeks, your jaw, dissolving any tension, leaving behind only softness and only ease. Now feel the light moving into your neck and shoulders, where it begins to gently unwind any tightness and any heaviness. It is as though the energy is melting away all the weight you have been carrying, leaving you feeling light, free, and open. From your shoulders, the light moves down into your arms, traveling through your biceps, through your elbows, your forearms, and all the way down to your hands and fingertips. Notice how your arms feel lighter now, as though they're floating in the gentle rhythm of the vortex. The light now flows into your chest, spreading warmth and calm throughout your heart and throughout your lungs. Feel how each breath you take carries this light even deeper, allowing it to soothe and allowing it to heal. It moves into your stomach and your abdomen, gently releasing any tension, any discomfort, and replacing it with ease. Next, the light flows into your back, starting at the upper spine and cascading down through every vertebra, every muscle. It is as though the light is gently massaging your back, relieving any pressure, any strain, and leaving behind a deep sense of relaxation. Now feel the light moving into your hips and pelvis, softening and soothing this area, releasing anything that feels heavy or stuck. From there it flows into your thighs, your knees, your calves, and all the way down into your feet and toes. And as the light flows through you, imagine now that it is leaving behind a lasting imprint. It is as though every part of your body, every cell and every muscle and every bone is absorbing this light, holding on to it, so it becomes a permanent part of you. Feel it now, anchoring into your being, ensuring that this healing will continue long after this session, knowing that this light is always with you, always flowing, always supporting you. And now that you're deeply immersed in the healing vortex, let's guide this energy even more intentionally to the places within you that need it most. Take a moment to tune into your body. Without judgment or analysis, simply notice any areas that feel tense, heavy, or need extra care. Perhaps it's a physical sensation, a tightness, an ache, or a feeling of imbalance. Or maybe it's an emotional weight, a sense of worry, sadness, or exhaustion. Whatever you notice within, it's perfect. Now imagine that the light of the vortex is gently flowing through this area. It is as though the light is drawn there naturally, effortlessly, like water flowing to nourish the roots of a plant. Feel how the light begins to concentrate there, bathing this part of you in its warm, soothing glow. And as the light flows into that area, it begins to dissolve anything that no longer serves you. Imagine that tension, discomfort, or heaviness. Imagine it just melting away, carried off by the swirling motion of the vortex. It is as though the light is gently sweeping away all that is unnecessary, leaving behind only balance, only ease, and only vitality. Feel the light repairing and restoring every part of that area. If it's a part of your body, imagine the cells here being rejuvenated, renewed, returned to the natural state of health. If it's an emotion, imagine the light softening and dissolving it, replacing it with calm, with clarity, with peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself releasing anything that feels stuck or heavy. The vortex carries it away effortlessly, leaving you lighter, freer, and whole. And now take one last moment to connect with the healing vortex that's surrounding you and that's within you. Imagine now that its gentle spiraling motion becomes even more purposeful. The light of the vortex begin. Feel it now, clearing away any lingering impurities, any heaviness, any energy that no longer serves you. The vortex is meticulous and precise. With every sweep, it carries away what is unnecessary, what is burdensome, and what doesn't belong. Picture the impurities dissolving in the light of the vortex, breaking apart and being carried far, far away, back into the earth, back into the universe, to be transformed into something new. The vortex leaves you completely clear, completely refreshed, and completely free. And as it finishes its work, you feel yourself glowing with vitality, filled with only light, only peace, only balance. This is the true you, the pure you, the radiant and whole you. Take a deep breath now, and as you exhale, feel this newfound clarity anchoring into every part of your body, your mind and spirit. The healing vortex has done its work, and its energy is now a part of you, a permanent, pervasive, unshakable source of renewal and strength in you. Its energy is now a part of you, a permanent, unshakable source of renewal and strength within you. You're not only healed, but also cleansed, renewed, and refreshed. And you're ready to carry this light forward into your life. Now it's time to bring yourself back to the full awareness, carrying with you all the healing, the clarity, and peace from this journey. 1. Begin to feel the surface beneath you, the steady support holding you. 2. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. 3 and 4. Take a deep breath, energizing that breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, clear energy. And number 5, open your eyes, fully awake, feeling wonderful. And 5, open your eyes, fully awake, feeling wonderful, refreshed, and ready to embrace the day.